My name's Alberto Cuadros. I'm an artist, curator, and co-founder of SALA, Society of Art Los Angeles. Society of Art Los Angeles started out of this necessity to really come back together and create non-commercial public space and these social oases that are very necessary. Through collaborations with institutions, individual artist projects, and workshops, we're able to kind of paint a really broad picture of what is happening in the arts in Los Angeles.
Hi, I'm Natou Fall, artist and design faculty at SCI-Arc, and today we are at the SALA Gallery in downtown Los Angeles in exhibition for a visual studies course I'm teaching called GIST. The slang term gist means to give somebody the lowdown, the 411, the kind of synopsis of a story or sort of event that's taken place. In the course, we've been looking at screenwriting and set design from an abstract approach. We tried to write a short film using just the sort of essence of the unraveling or the journey of our protagonist. The themes that I presented to the students early on in this semester, phrases like my grief, my hair, my skin, my place. The students landed on my place and my spirit as being terms they wanted to really kind of delve into and write about. So students in groups designed the sort of theatrical stage sets and wrote each scene to go with those stage sets in the screenplay that we have on display here. In this space, all the stage sets are put in order. At the entry, we have stability. The sort of cardboard snake archway that's behind me is shift. Things start to actually become a bit more complicated for the protagonist. We have another space or another installation called Loss, where our protagonist is having kind of a hard time emotionally, mentally. I'm standing right in front of adaptation, a moment where the protagonist is sort of overcoming hurdles and obstacles. Finally, the sort of last and maybe coziest installation we have in this space is resolution. So much of the student work that is done and that's put on display doesn't leave the building, doesn't leave the arts district. And so I've kind of made it my mission to bring SCI-Arc student work out into the city, know the community you're engaging with, and also to just be able to bring a little bit of SCI-Arc flair into the city. I think it's been really rewarding. I feel like the students have really enjoyed actually spending some time outside of the building as well to kind of set up their work and show it and have conversations with people that don't know much about architecture, don't know much about the school, and changing what people understand to be architecture and the practice of architecture.